Leone? How easy?
It is a smooth. It is so smooth.
Yeah, massive, look how me nice. Whoa! Airport. Man, I got foreign. That is it. Figure that. So massive, look how me clean. You never see me so sweet yet. You never see me so sweet yet. Look how me sweet. Me always at work. But look how me sweet and look how Lex is sweet. You always see her sweet. Sweet like a drinks. Say sweet like a drinks. Yeah, baby. Foreign family.
Babble dong.
Hey, yeah, say the girl babble dong. Babble dong. How you mean? Not joke. Ah, Kylie, we not forgot you. Easy. You're there. So massive, I don't know the power we are. We got foreign. We actually the power we got the airport. And we're actually in a Leone's beautiful car. She's actually taking us. She's our financial advisor, Miss Leone Scott. You know, we can call on her for anything. Alright?
Can you do that with your financial advisor?
Can you do that with your financial advisor?
I think not.
you need to drop that financial advisor and get a one like hours a year. Alright, so we're outside. So the upset police ahead. Like we see how Rockstone, see them there?
Yeah.
So the upset police ahead. And there they are. And there they are. So the upset police ahead. Watch your bobo hat now, man. Watch your hat. I see them, man. Watch him. Oh gosh. Quack, 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 quack. Who made that up here? Them are wicked. Yeah. So we are the point we are got the airport and it's gonna be an exciting journey. So all of the massive I say excited we got foreign. I say one go. Yes. Yes. Every time me always I carry people go to the airport. Every time me always I drop off. Every time me always I go pick up. And my time now, if you can wait for me too.
Yeah.
Time now for you can drop me off.
I drive myself.
Eh? Yeah, I drive myself to the airport. You don't know me tough. Ramp with me. So all I massive them are just tune in. We actually did on the journey if you got America, New York City. You don't know, big up every time. See? So yeah. Mad love. So if you're not subscribed yet, please me ask if you subscribe now, man. You understand? We depend we are going for the 100. Maybe by the time when I watch this, we fly past 100 already. You see me? But big up every time, one love. So I'm gonna be showing you the entire journey here and there, going straight to America. My experience. See? That is it. Figure that outside. Airport road. Hey Leon, you're in job right now. Leon doesn't watch me.
Soon you'll be looking down.
Down. And who this is gate now? Airport.
Hey.
Hot fire. Yeah, man. That is it. Figure that.
Oh, God.
Here I'm about to come out and go into foreign. Yes, massive. So we actually arrive at the airport safe and sound, which is good. Now I'm on the international. That is it. Figure that. Let out the queen out of the deck. Watch the queen now, man. Yeah, Kylie fast asleep. Outfit. Right. Yeah. We don't care what Jamaica got for, but we care some things. Definitely. Yeah. So we're there and we're just go easy, you know?
Wait, alright, so yes.
Yeah, man.
So we'll see the boarding pass. Talk to the agent.
Alright, cool, respect. are the person who know about the whole thing. So what we have to do now?
Check in here, so the kiosk machine.
Oh, so this is an automated thing?
Yeah, so basically, you normally check in at the counter out there, then we're in kiosk machine. So you just check in at the machine, and then machine going print your boarding pass, I think, and then you do your bag drop.
Oh, so that is this. So let's say I know say we can do the self check-in right here and things like that. So I first time for me, I'm not sure what I go on, but I can see what I go on. No? Yeah, man. So we actually at the Norman Manley International Airport. I don't know if I actually said that, but we're at the Norman Manley International Airport in Kingston, Jamaica. Oh, who is that guy? Bro. Just that go call you, you know. Look how the man clean and fresh like me, man. Look on them man, expensive suitcase, brother. It is, then say. So massive, this is Extreme Arts, you understand? This is my brother when they always hear me talk about. So when I see me, I'm an Extreme Arts app, a film Extreme Arts company, you understand? So from me get the visa, man, so my first trip, we are going to travel together, you see me? So I'm always come from foreign and I tell me one bag about the place. So decide I'm going to make you know what I go on today. So from me get it, him say your first flight, anytime you book a ticket, me I book my own. So see me, him tell no lie. So see me roll out with them thing where sneakers well packed down, be sitting one Jamaica walk by. You understand? So we're gonna have some fun and we're gonna chill out and be things, you understand? Yeah. So a nice beautiful lady come look what I go on. Peace out, big up yourself. See? And something like me Jamaican them, you know what I mean? So it is just crazy, it is just beautiful. You understand? So anything you want to say, bro?
Big up everybody, you know, Jamaica walk by, you know, from long time, you know, see progress, you see.
Long time.
Yeah, man.
So your Instagram, they don't know a Cashflow Extreme?
Cashflow Extreme or Extreme Arts JA.
Yeah, you hear that, so now see it on the screen.
ExtremeArtsJA.com.
On the website. Oh yeah, let me talk a little bit about that. So the ExtremeArtsJA.com, we hear me talk about his website. He's a video director from Jamaica, right? So he shows a lot of international music videos for international artists and local artists. So you can actually go on the website and see all about him, most of the videos them that him shoot and bunch of things. So if you want an official music video, he's actually the best video director right now in Jamaica, no doubt. Yo, me in my opinion, he's the best. You see me? He's telling me that he's one of, but I not say that. But to me, he's the best right now in Jamaica. So if you want the music videos, you always can link him. I don't know, he never likes to really give himself the right credit, but to me, let me say, you are to me the best video director in Jamaica.
If you say that, then fine.
Yeah. He's also the Cashflow Extreme. We make all of them big bad rhythm there, like Puff It rhythm. You don't know, we are talking about name some of them. RDX Catchy, produce RDX Catchy and him brother. He make the rhythm. White Liver, we are White Liver, the Vibes Cartel. What about all type of things them want to do?
Anytime you come out to somebody asks me like how much tracks, like,
can't remember.
It's like, yeah, it's like hard to remember everything.
Yeah, man. What I read him the name
Vibes
again,
Cartel,
man?
Know About Me.
Vibes Cartel, Know About Me, yeah.
Whole heap of Octane.
Whole heap of Octane, like Conscience. You make Winner Rhythm, right? Winner Rhythm.
Keep Bad Mind Out of My Heart.
Yeah, Keep Bad Mind Out. What about the big song, Version Rhythm, man?
Yes, Version.
Where
in a real life.
They want to circus on my face. And I give thanks in a real life. Him produce that too. So, I don't know DB youth. I don't know joke youth. You see me I say so? Yeah, massive. It's crazy. We're outside. Hey, so since you asked me a question, can I ask a question? Am I going on camera?
Sure.
It's Jamaica.
How do I look?
Beautiful. That's why I'm talking to you right now. I love the hair and things. So I'm currently traveling for the first time. So I'm actually going to America and I'm anticipating the trip.
Yeah.
Oh, she even helping me pushing the suitcase. So my name is Fabian, right?
Fabian?
Fabian.
Nice to meet
the
you.
channel
I'm June.
You're June. like it's in June.
As in the month.
It's in the month. Ah, you hear that? Because I have a fruit out in Jamaica that I love, you know. It's June plum.
Oh, okay. I'm a June plum.
Oh, that's
for
your
sure.
handsome husband right there?
This is. We're on camera.
Okay. All right, big up yourself. Which country are you guys going?
We're gonna go to America too.
Oh, so I'm going to America too for my
Yeah.
first time traveling.
Well, that's the first time traveling.
First time traveling.
First airplane?
Yeah, first. I went on an airplane before, but it's like from one place to another. Yeah. So, it is so nice experience. I've been like, I didn't sleep last night.
I can imagine.
I didn't sleep last night.
Yeah, really. I can imagine. I would.
Trust me. I'm anticipating it.
Even now, I get excited after all these years of traveling. Yeah, I love it.
So, how was your trip in Jamaica?
Oh well, I'm living here for a little while.
You're living here for a while?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
great,
So I'm
that's
just
great.
going back to, for a week.
Chilling out. Alright, so how long have you been married, if you don't mind?
Married? Oh, I'm never quite sure. I got married in 1984.
Come on, when you're married that long, you can't keep track of the numbers, no matter what you do. You understand? You're married since 1984.
Yeah.
You've been married before I was born.
That's the way it works.
So you're married for way over 30 years. You're almost going to be married for like nearly 40 years.
Nearly 40 years.
Nearly
Isn't that
40 years.
something?
Yeah.
Here we go. Here.
Just pull a suitcase off of my ex. Oh. So
Where are you going in?
I'm going to New York.
Oh, New
Mount
York.
Vernon. Yeah.
Okay.
Going to New York. So that's my beautiful family there. That's my daughter. That's my beautiful baby girl.
Beautiful.
This is my brother and best friend. So,
Nice to meet you.
yeah.
We'll have a
You know what he did? He did something kind. He said to me that whenever I get the visa, he's going to actually travel with me for the first time. And he's here.
You're a
How cool
lucky
is that?
man. You're a lucky
I'm
man.
telling you, man. Yeah.
It
So
was nice meeting you, Fabian. I have
before
to
you
go.
go, June.
Yeah, what do you
before
need?
go, I'm gonna give you a card. So what
Okay.
I want you to go back and watch this video on my channel.
I'll
and
do that.
Subscribe. You can share it to a friend. So all the information that you need will be on this card. My Instagram, my YouTube, and also my WhatsApp. You probably can WhatsApp me. and say,
I will.
June.
Well, at least watch my video.
Yeah.
For sure.
Bless up and love here.
Have a wonderful trip.
Thank
all right?
you so much.
New York will love you.
Okay. Wait. Bless up. So they are actually checking in right now at this JetBlue self check-in. We actually booked the ticket on the JetBlue flight. Yeah. So straight to America. Look at the place, it's beautiful. So remember, all my life I've always been here, dropping off people, picking up people. Now it's my time to go, man. So it's a nice process, it seems. How is the process? Is it simple? Like I said, process is kinda-ish simple. Hey! So Kanye finally is awake, so she'll be traveling for the first time too. Yeah. What's the feeling? You know me not to talk too loud right now, but you, hey, she's waving, yay! Good girl, let's say hi. Hi! Say hi. You know, say hi. But yeah, man, see? Yeah, good girl. Miss look a walk by, you know? Yeah, man, no joke, outside. So we just actually checked in a while ago. Now we're actually there on the JetBlue line to check in the bag. Now that we are doing, Lexi?
We have the bag drop now.
Bag drop?
Yeah, you leave your bag here.
Oh, okay. Alright, so Lexi said we're doing bag drop now, so we're gonna just put away all of our stuff. That's all.
Yeah,
Nah,
but-
We're going to collect the underneath the bottom of my plane. They might take you yourself.
Oh, so what will actually go on there? Bottom line plane?
Yeah. That's how you're going to lift it up.
So, and luggage, them also go on the plane?
Yes.
So you carry on, you got to have that with you.
They still have a lock up there to do the security.
When I go to security? Okay. Alright, so them a teach me massive, you understand? Them a teach me. I don't have a problem with that. Me ask question the first time for me, I don't know. I don't know if I go ever travel by myself or something. I have to go through the hustler route, you know? So, with there I say I want to share the experience so they don't see them way. Is it? So, yeah. Walk it up. No, we not travel with much stuff. The suitcase is big but it's empty. Because most of the stuff I try to get them over there. I walk with the mash-up drone. And you know that's my case, car seat, bunch of other stuff and thing. But we look sharp. Big up to me. My Rich Cam brand bag. You don't know, big up the Rich Cam family. You don't know, blessings every time I walk with it. Nice bag to carry around. Yeah.
Backdrop, but you see like the gentleman is training, he's on training.
So we're actually waiting a good look a while. So Lexi is telling me that the guy is actually was on training to do backdrop, so that's why it took so long. So as you can see, X is over there checking in bag them and in thing. Yeah. That's at the same line that access if I eat security line.
Yeah, so from here you're going to go through security where you're going to have to take off your shoes. If you have like I think you have to take off your belt. You have to take out like a tablet out of your bag, you have a tablet, laptop, electronic devices, take them out and they're gonna provide you with bins where you put your stuff them in a bins. If you have on a jacket, you have to take off the jacket, put it in the bins, and then they're gonna send it through some type of equipment where them scan it. And you're gonna also go into one scanning machine where you have to pull up your hand them and it scan your body.
Entire body.
Yeah, and then you get the clearance and then you put on back your stuff, you put on back your shoes and stuff, and then you head to the department.
So finally actually leave security. That way was security. Finally the upstairs, you know, after the departure. You understand, the place is beautiful. Oh my god, I didn't know all of these things was here. Like I have the sun styling gift shop at the airport. Yeah. We have walk good, craft and souvenir. Yeah, great. Nice. Food place and thing. Nice. So for my first time seeing all of this beautiful place upstairs the airport, I always just a let off people and thing, but now it's my time.
las 9
So,
de la mañana.
So. Burger King and thing up there. Island Grill. So the glass one I always see now, it was the Burger King seating area. Same thing with me. So I always want to see where the plane them there. Almighty, look at this. How do you use the plane? See the plane? Look at the plane. Plane? Yeah, not joke. It's a vibe, it's a vibe. So you know we're traveling actually, me, the baby and Lexi. But trust me, it's gonna be amazing. Too amazing, isn't it? Not joke. So we actually get some food and come. We support Island Grill today. Boy, it's a mash up in food. Some juice, some things. You might run go put on your jacket now. You hear about that something there? Eh. Kyra, wanna say hi?
More.
Oh, she's saying hi. She's saying more. So we're teaching her sign language. So more. Hands up. Yay! So yes, massive, that's the plane just arrived. That's our plane that we're gonna be taking. The flight actually delay a little bit for like another 30 minutes. But yeah, JetBlue finally reached and on the lineup. So we're actually leaving from the upstairs, we're heading downstairs.
Actually.
Yeah. Alright. Me look back, I don't see anything.
Make sure I'm not leaving my phone again.
Better not. Look on the stairs now, man. We're going on the escalator, people. The escalator.
Welcome to the Norway County International Airport. Passengers are reminded not to leave any bag on the table. All bags are reminded to pass safely and recycle.
Beautiful. And the artwork is lovely. So Lexi, which part we're heading now? To the gate?
That's what they call it.
Oh, so then car down here, sir. To the gate.
Yeah. They have different gates based off how you fly. So each flight have a gate when you plane park. So you're going from there. So yeah, one little waiting area.
Oh, some more waiting here actually, did it?
Yeah.
Alright. Oh. Oh, this.
I wish gate was for come.
Chris Gear, Shelly, Protege. We have Jimmy Cliff. Weird. Romy and Virgo. Great Berries.
Someone listen.
I say look like two. And the Great Junior Gang. Yay! Oh, they do it like. And see it look comfortable. Though.
You're not furry.
Please note that we're required to collect contact tracing information for this flight to go to the United States. Those who share this information with the Center for Disease Control and Prevention via the U.S. Customs and Border Protection.
Hey, look who is back. Bye-bye. Yes, man. This is just a film a while ago. What we can say that? You know something I don't know?
Yeah, man. No, you know when
That's the Jamaica walk by.
just like that.
Figure that, you know, so me a roll right now, you know.
Respect.
Yeah, man, big up every time, my bro.
Yes,
Respect for the love, you hear that?
Love.
See? And Alan.
No, go ahead, you're fine, go ahead.
Alright, cool.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. The baby is what? Rockstone, big up yourself. You're good?
Hi.
You make you subscribe to my channel, eh?
No?
I think you should, man.
I think we should.
Yeah.
We're meant to be a bit of
Here you go. I don't know, should I get restless? Elbow bump, so I'll go through here?
Alright, take care, Papa.
Yeah, right. Come and get a card to come here. Or subscribe to the channel, man.
Alright.
Respect here. Bigger that. Hey! Yes, that's something.
Come on,
Outside. You know what I mean? Not joke. Listen, I bridge. I say bridge.
Which bridge?
The bridge, man. Outside, brother. Yeah, man, that's how it works. Yeah, man, Tanya and Terry. So, first she and me and her, the baby that walk. So, me that talk to her. So, she said, leave her, make she go and see.
I'm going to post them, friend.
What do you mean? Yeah. So it's struggle. Just have it. Yeah. Let me show you. Here's a card. You can subscribe here. Eh? No, I'm not even sure where it was on a while ago, but I'm going to try to get. No, man, show me that gaze for the baby. But sometimes when I have it in my hand, I can't really. I can't give you a card. But you see, like now, it was at my 30 and I say, me have it. So first, when I say the same thing. No, man, I just own hold it. Listen, now one of them do that, I video you just give you. Yeah, that's Jamaica. It's on there. Right on there. Yeah, man, that's it. Big up, respect here. Good day. Big time tourist now. I'm gonna try out the thing, you know, so I did a way up front. That's rich. Jamaica walk by much love, much respect here. That is it. Superstar outside. Yeah, I'm going to.
Bins that are closed are usually full, folks. Let's move on to the next available bin space. The bins are shared space, ladies and gentlemen.
That's
utilize the next one that's closest to you.
Yeah, man. Alright, that's
Small bag, backpack.
Yeah, man.
If it fit underneath the seat in front of you, please go ahead and do so. Leaving an overhead bin for the larger items. One bag up, smaller bag underneath that seat in front of you, please. Once you've stored that bag in the overhead bin, please step out of the island into your
Look who the bunny playing, man. So this nice, beautiful lady here we sit beside. We're gonna have some fun traveling. What's her name? Andrea. So we're here with Miss Andrea. So I'm a Jamaica walk by massive. This nice, beautiful lady here will be sharing a few hours with her. So by the time she come off the plane, I know everything about her grandkids, her children. Them she know my daughter already, and she know Lexi. So we are here.
God is good.
All the time.
All the time, God is good. You don't know, big up every time. Kylie, you're on the plane. Yeah. I don't know either, man. Kylie climbing and everything. Oh my gosh.
You see your armrest, the one.
What's up?
And then your earphone plug in here, so. The amount plug in here. Your headphone, and then you can use it. Can watch a movie.
Alexia, the one that traveling as Alexia actually shooting while going, you know? Yeah. So yeah, we're up on the plane. Outside. You understand? Not joking. Everything on your seatbelt here. Seems like you're a frequent flyer, man. Yeah. It's my first time.
Folks, once again, once you've entered the aircraft, quickly enter into your roll-off, stow your bags. Still have those waiting behind you to pass. The aircraft is running behind schedule. We're trying to get you to New York as quickly and safely as possible. We're unable to do so without your assistance. Please stow your bags. In the overhead bin, the bins that are closed are completely full. Please place your bags on the next available open bin. Larger suitcases only on top, smaller bags under your seat.
We're in Jamaica.
If you have any questions or concerns, let us know so we can best assist you once again on board your service to New York.
So big up our put more massive, you understand? Yeah.
I'm space underneath your phone.
Yeah.
And your bag nose big.
Again, in your personal space that fit completely underneath the seat in front of you. Don't want to keep disturbing you folks. If you have a bag on your lap, a bag over your shoulder, a handbag, ladies, gentlemen, or shoulder bag, all bags fit completely underneath the seat in front of you. Please just go ahead and do that so that makes it. All bags underneath the seat in front of you. If you by any chance plug in any electronic device in your in-seat power outlets, please unplug all of them. Feel free to plug them in once you take off. Thank you.
So the plane just about to move off now. Lexi said this is called the taxiing of the plane. So excited, it's my first time traveling and the feeling is like not even normal right now, so it's crazy. The plane a move. We're there on the plane. You know, as a normal thing. So this flight is actually a JetBlue, so yeah. So like say when I say plane a reverse, brother. Non-stop to New York.
Now this is up front here with me. Kevin is my name. Eric Cuddy, that is your captain. Sean Barbie, interesting, is your first officer. Flight time heading in 3 hours, 10 minutes, wheels up to touchdown. Your safety is our top priority, so I appreciate a few minutes of your attention while we demonstrate the safety features of this aircraft. You can follow along with the safety information card in the seatback pocket. Federal aviation regulations require compliance with all crew member instructions, lighted information signs, and posted placards. To fasten your seatbelt, insert a flat metal end into the buckle, pull on the strap to tighten. To release, lift the top flap of the buckle. Please keep your seatbelt fastened, lower and tight across your lap. Even if the seatbelt sign is off, and please have your seatbelt visible to the crew at all times. Your life vest is located in a pouch underneath your seat. If instructed by the crew to open the pouch, remove the vest and pull it over your head. Wrap the strap around your waist. Secure the buckle. Then pull the strap to tighten. As you exit the aircraft, inflate the vest by pulling on firmly on the red tabs and by blowing into the tubes located on both sides. A locator light on the shoulder will turn on automatically in water. Never inflate your vest inside the aircraft. This Airbus A321 has 8 emergency exits here, 2 doors in the front, 4 doors mid-cabin, 2 doors in the back. Each door is equipped with an evacuation slide. The slides at the front and the back of the aircraft can be detached and used as rafts. An additional raft is located mid-cabin. All exits are clearly marked with a sign overhead. If necessary, floor level lighting will illuminate the aisle and every defined exits. In event of an emergency, please leave all personal belongings and proceed to the nearest exit. Please take a moment now to locate your closest exits. Keep in mind these exits may be behind you. If there's change in cabin pressure, full oxygen mask will drop from overhead. Firm the mask toward you to start the flow of oxygen. Remove any face covering. Place the oxygen mask over your nose and mouth. Pull the white elastic band around your head and tighten using the straps on both sides. Even though the bag may not inflate, oxygen will be flowing. Be sure to put your mask on before assisting others, and we'll let you know if a mask is no longer needed. We're going to be coming to the cabin one final time to make sure we are ready for departure. Help us by making sure your seatbelt is securely fastened, your seatback tray table is stored out, and items are put away. If you have any questions about the safety features of this aircraft, please don't hesitate to ask. Smoking, including the use of electronic cigarettes and vaporizers, is never allowed on any JetBlue flight. Tampering with, disabling, or destroying smoke detectors in aircraft restrooms is a federal offense and may result in a fine. For your convenience, there are 4 restrooms on board, 1 in front, 3 in the back, 1 in front, 2 of them in the back are equipped with infant changing tables. We're going to be turning off the main cabin lights for departure. If you need it, there is a reading light located directly above your seat. Ready to make sure you have a safe and comfortable flight? Thanks again for your attention. Once again, welcome aboard.
welcomes you to Jamaica, this time in Queens, New York, where the local time is approximately 3:53 p.m. Please keep your seatbelts fastened while we taxi to the gate until the captain has turned off the fasten seatbelt sign. Use caution when you open up the overhead bins. Articles may have moved around during the flight. If you need assistance such as wheelchairs, folks, we have 27 wheelchairs on board the aircraft. We need you to stay on board the aircraft until the wheelchairs are here so that we can better assist you. You may not stand and wait on the jet bridge. This is an international flight. Customs frowns upon that. Please do not exit the aircraft and wait at the bottom of the jet bridge. Please wait comfortably on board the aircraft until the wheelchairs arrive. We will let you know once they're here so we can better assist you. As a reminder, this is an international arrival. All travelers must clear immigration, reclaim your baggage, and then clear customs. We'll be arriving into JetBlue's International Terminal Number 5 today. Once again, JetBlue's International Terminal Number 5. Baggage carousel information will be provided to you once the door's been opened. On behalf of all of us here, thank you for choosing our services today. We hope to see you again soon on a future flight. Once again, welcome to New York.
Figure that, and you the man said, welcome to New York.
Doors for arrival here.
Yeah. What did you say? Well, that's great. Something dropped right.
I know.
Which one are they? Band?
Standing in the aisle and stuff. You wanna get the camera?
True. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this one your bag. Okay. Yeah, but I was telling you that your bag. Is it what? Good. Good. That's what I was telling you. Say, bring your bag for me.
Jesus. So you see I pay full fare in and see.
Yep, I know
That's a scam now.
A coaster bus.
Coaster bus you pay how much is it now? 150.
You're right, Bunny bus.
And you have to hold on in the car and then you have bricks.
You're right, Bunny bus step and pay full fare.
And when you left from after 3 hours Spanish town, you have to open up the code must be.
After the fighting to get in there first.
He doesn't want to go. If I ever find a wife, I believe that he doesn't want to go. You know, when I catch it in the place.
I try to grab, but I grab the car and find it.
I'm not bragging, sir. Because it is rough.
That was
In Jamaica, it is rough. It is an attitude. Yes. Especially if you're not king.
Alright, let's see.
Oh, sorry. We get the sorry of cleaning. I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Suitcase?
No, I'm next.
Woo!
Thank you.
On this side.
Hold on. Up, down, up, up, up and down.
No, just wait a minute. Yeah.
This is up. It's my turn now.
Bye-bye.
Alright, come on to the chair.
Yes, sir. Blessed and respect.
Take care of yourself, bless
Yeah, man. One
just
Jamaica
let out
walk,
my
man.
with another for me, yeah?
Okay, let me get a card there.
Yeah, man, of course, man.
Beg you one subscribe, see?
Let's say a word, man.
Jamaica walk.
We have that.
Alright.
Yeah, man, you ready?
Mr. Pilot, blessed love, alright? Oh, is that it? Oh, I love it. Yes, I love it.
You can sit first.
It's a gas, Lexi. Yeah, you're saying you have a gas. Man, New York. That's win a AC, man. A AC win. Man, they're firing. Not your thing.
So we going orange.
Orange. Alright.
And they have signs everywhere, so you have. Jamaica.
Alright, so we just went through immigration, right? So immigration was smooth. The gentleman was really nice, really cool guy. Asked us a few questions, that was okay. I think nothing too, but that was great. The immigration was smooth. It's not that packed. So what we doing? Waiting on the bag.
Yeah.
Alright, so we're waiting on our luggage. Yay! We're in New York City. We're there, we're going to chill easy. Guess who was on the flight with us? Terry Colorell, she's over there. And also Tanya Stevenson. And guess what? There were a lot of persons on the plane who knows us for Jamaica walk by. How cool is that? In a New York, you don't know a thing. Yeah man, so we're outside, no joke. Terry. Hello, good day. Bless you.
Hello.
Oh, I'm always having my camera. Don't worry about it. It's Jamaica walk by. So I would like you to check my channel out.
It's a YouTube channel?
Yeah, it's a very big YouTube channel. So
Alright, nice. And your name?
every day I'm doing promotion. My name is Fabian.
Fabian.
I'm still the singer. I used to sing like in South East and everything. Big up every time. Bless you, love my bro.
Wishing you all the best.
First thing I see is jacket, and a jacket sharp, my G. It looks so crisp. You got up on Terry. I love the shoes. I was looking at it and I'd be like, yo.
We're
I saw me stay everywhere I go.
We heard we're coming into weather, so we're coming prepared.
Bro. That's why I take on that little look there and I'm like, jacket something there.
Thank you, my darling.
So Terry, big up every time.
Yeah, man.
Good to see you again.
You stay safe.
And think I will. My first time flying, so you must know what's going on.
Well, it was a good
The plane have me panicking a while ago.
No, man. No, man.
Let me give thanks.
No, man. God is good every time.
Big up every time. See.
Have a productive.
Thank you so much. See? Yeah, man. Yeah, that was Terry Carell. We got every time. Yeah, great extreme. So we get our bag them and thing. Get all of the bag them. And we gear up yourself, head on out and things. So we're just gonna make a move now. Finally feeling good, feeling all nice. Oh, we're just waiting on the car seat. So we're trying to get the car seat right now and then we just make a move. So the day I'm massive is great, like the feeling is just, I can't believe it, can't believe it. So when the temperature reach me? Alright massive, so we actually head out there now. And thing. Yeah. Check it again. Yeah. Oh, I didn't realize.
Florida, no?
Second screen. So only Jamaica have custom. Only Jamaica have custom. I have to go through your things.
Where are you coming from?
Can't hear. Repeat.
Where are you coming from? Which country?
Oh, Jamaica.
Jamaica?
Yeah.
You're together?
Yeah.
Okay, give me one. Your first. How old you are?
How old am I?
Yeah?
I'm 37.
37. Oh, then I can take it. May I have your passport?
Please, guys.
You can go with her. He's coming.
No, I have his passport.
Yeah.
No, they might talk to me in Spanish, but me don't tell them say no hablo español, hablo inglés.
Oh. What a temperature. New York, massive. Jajano. New York. Your boy Jamaica walk by there. No joke. So massive. See there, watch out. You see that? You don't know son of Jamaica. This is a place cool and nice. The place is beautiful. You don't know. Me talk and frost a fall out time out. You know, so we're there up on the ice. Look now man, I'm gonna have a very good time. You don't know. OMG. But only then there this a place and I'm dreams. You know what time my dreams are there. So right now I'm there in live and living colours. You understand? I'm going to look around, I'm going to see what I go on. The place is beautiful. I don't know. Yeah. Nice and lovely. We're outside, we're just here waiting on the car, you know what I mean? We order a taxi service and we're just there wait. And we left from JFK to Mount Vernon. You don't know, we're there. So we order a lift and him actually said him there on the other side, so we try make a way go around the other side. Push the luggage in. When's the X? You say I come on? Yeah.
So which one is in the 5 minutes now?
Like him saying the 5 minutes now run on the other side. So massive me attack and watch it. Just like how me imagine forward in afar. New York where the temperature different. I feel good. Me not cold, me just cold. Yeah, I feel nice, I feel good. It's a great experience so far. You know, just looking at the place and think. Just like how me imagine it, just like how me envision it. This is the way it is. I feel great. No joke, I feel great. Great. So the rain is actually dewing right now and thing. But it's a great vibe. All we do is just tired. That's all we do, we're just tired.
Yeah, massive. So right now, see it how we did it. You understand, you know the thing go, we're there in a foreign. Blows down skirt, exit place cool. Place feel nice. Rain and fall and things. So to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video, yeah, I just wanna say, yeah. So I just wanna say thank you to everybody who stay tuned and watch the video. We actually reach safe. So just gonna close right here. So remember, if you're not yet subscribed, your boy Jamaica walk by, we're there inside New York with their foreign. Mad thing, mad thing. So big up every time. Thank you guys for watching. Watch at New York with we outside. Yeah. Big up every time, I'm massive, you don't know. So if you not see that video, I probably reach back at Jamaica already and drop it and just show on the journey for the 3 weeks so we are gonna be here. So you know we make on know what going. So bless up, mad love, respect. We're signing out outside.